followed the boys and girls bowling team to Huntley to get a deeper look into the players and sport itself. Madison Donovan, a varsity player on the girls' team, explains how impactful her season has been and how important relationships and connections are to the team.
So it's actually from a friend I met in high school when I was a sophomore, I think, and she kind of inspired me to join the team. It's kind of more like impactful because I have a lot more friends here, and I did recruit a lot more, and they are like friends that I hang out with a lot. So it definitely just makes the environment more fun and interesting.
Donovan states that despite being in several different sports, bowling is her favorite and gives her a different experience than the others. She also gives insight into the more team-oriented aspects of bowling.
I actually love bowling. I do play golf, but bowling is definitely up in my favorite sports category because of the environment. I think it's so fun. And a lot of people hate on bowling, but I think it's really fun. Our teamwork, I say, is pretty strong. I think it's definitely more strong than I think other teams I've been on just because of the friendships we have.
Varsity player Nate Halsma describes what made him interested in the bowling team and how he got into the sport. Halsma provides more information about the power vacuum and improvement of the team from last year.
What inspired me is bowling on a league here when I was about 12, and ever since then I've kind of just fallen in love with the sport. A couple of our best bowlers from last year graduated, so now we got fresh spots on varsity open, and so far we're on track to be even a little better as a varsity team than last year.
Halsman elaborates on the importance of teamwork and strong bond as brought up by Donovan. Though it may not seem like it to most, bowling is a very team-heavy sport, and made people join for the bowling and stay for the friends they've made along the way.
I love it. We've become pretty much like brothers on the team, so it's a great time.
How was your
we pick each other up after bad games. Very good team. We work well together. After bad games, everybody huddles up sometimes and expresses what they did wrong and how they can fix it. Even after some shots, teammates look at each other and give pointers on what they can do. So, yeah, I'd say we've become a really good team just from that respect.
If you're interested in watching their next match, they will be December 15th at Globe Bowl in Marengo. At 4:30, we're Rylan Davis, Jack Fisher, Juliana Fontanella, and Emily Ostrander. See you there, Warriors.